Welcome to Tech Explorer, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're delving into the Honor Magic 7 Pro, a smartphone that redefines what's possible in a premium flagship device. With a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a groundbreaking 200MP periscope telephoto lens, and 100W fast charging, this phone is loaded with cutting-edge features. Let's explore why the Honor Magic 7 Pro is poised to dominate the flagship segment. The Honor Magic 7 Pro features a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display that's engineered to impress. With a resolution of 1280x2800 pixels, every detail is sharp and vivid, offering an unparalleled viewing experience. 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The display automatically adjusts its refresh rate based on the content, providing buttery-smooth scrolling while conserving battery life when needed. HDR10+ support. Enjoy enhanced contrast, deeper blacks, and brighter highlights for a lifelike visual experience. Curved edges and slim bezels. The edge-to-edge display, combined with slim bezels, delivers an immersive design that's a treat for both eyes and hands. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or simply browsing, the display on the Magic 7 Pro elevates your experience to a new level. At the core of the Honor Magic 7 Pro lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built on an advanced 4nm architecture. It delivers exceptional speed, efficiency, and AI capabilities. Adreno Next-Gen GPU. Experience ultra-smooth gaming with enhanced graphics performance. LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Multitask effortlessly and enjoy blazing fast data transfer speeds. Advanced cooling system. Keeps the device cool during intense gaming sessions or prolonged use. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, the Magic 7 Pro ensures a seamless and responsive experience. The Honor Magic 7 Pro sets a new benchmark in mobile photography with its triple rear camera setup, 50MP primary sensor, captures stunningly detailed photos with accurate colors, even in challenging lighting conditions. 200MP periscope telephoto lens offers up to 10x optical zoom and 100x hybrid zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects with incredible clarity. 50MP ultrawide camera, perfect for landscapes, group photos, and creative wide-angle shots. The 50MP wide-angle front camera is paired with a 3D depth sensor, enabling lifelike selfies and advanced facial recognition. This setup is perfect for vloggers and content creators who want professional-grade video and photo quality. With Magic Portal AI and real-time scene optimization, you can unlock features like intelligent subject tracking, cinematic filters, and enhanced low-light performance. Powering the Magic 7 Pro is a robust 5850 mAh battery, designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. 100W wired fast charging. Charge from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes, ensuring you're never left waiting. 80W wireless charging offers cable-free convenience with impressive charging speeds. Reverse wireless charging. Share power with other devices when needed. With advanced battery optimization, you can enjoy extended usage without constantly worrying about finding a charger. The Honor Magic 7 Pro runs on macOS 9, based on Android. It's designed to enhance your productivity and deliver a smooth user experience. Magic Portal AI seamlessly connects your Honor devices for file sharing, multitasking, and device mirroring. Customization options. Personalize your phone with dynamic themes, always-on displays, and gesture controls. macOS 9 is fast, fluid, and packed with features that make it a joy to use. The Honor Magic 7 Pro combines beauty and durability in its design. With curved glass panels and a metal frame, it feels luxurious in hand. IP68, IP69 rating. The phone is water and dust resistant, making it ready for any adventure. 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Embedded under the display, it ensures fast and secure unlocking. Color options. Choose from elegant finishes like obsidian black, aurora green, and pearl white. At just 8.9 mm thick, the Magic 7 Pro is surprisingly slim, given its large battery and advanced features. The Magic 7 Pro is packed with the latest connectivity options and additional features, 5G ready. Enjoy ultra-fast download and upload speeds. Honor has left no stone unturned in ensuring the Magic 7 Pro is future-proof. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is expected to be priced competitively, given its flagship specifications. While the official pricing is yet to be confirmed, industry rumors suggest it will offer excellent value for its feature set. Availability will begin soon in global markets, with pre-orders opening shortly. A flagship masterpiece, the Honor Magic 7 Pro stands out as one of the most impressive smartphones of the year. From its stunning display and powerful processor to its game-changing camera system and ultra-fast charging, it offers a complete flagship experience. Thank you for watching Techsplorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews and tech updates. What feature of the Honor Magic 7 Pro excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.